Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Emeka, the Chief Priest. I am an Igbo tradition promoter. I'm a Dibia. You can call me a native doctor, if that's what you want to call me. You can call me a spiritualist. You can call me a diviner. Anything that comes into your mind. My job or my duty is to help people to live a spiritual, active life and to enjoy what nature has bestowed on us. Now, today's topic, I'll be talking about AFA. That's what Igbo people know it as AFA. AFA in English means divination. Igbo divination practice is an integral part of Igbo culture. It is a form of communication between the living and the ancestors, helping to bridge the spiritual realm with the physical world. Divination in Igbo culture, also known as Igba, involves the use of various divination tools, including kola nuts, cowrie shells, palm fronds, etc., to seek guidance and knowledge from the ancestors. The diviner, known as a Dibia, is considered to possess great knowledge and spiritual power, and is consulted on matters such as marriage, business, health, and other significant events. The Dibia begins the divination rituals by offering prayers and pouring libation to the ancestors, seeking their guidance. The Dibia uses divination tools, interpreting the pattern and associations that arise from the process to provide guidance to the individual seeking advice. The answers provided are interpreted symbolically, and it's up to the individual to also interpret them in the proper context, called Igba. So in the sense, when you go to a diviner to do Igba, that's spiritual consultation, the Dibia will consult the deities or consult the spirits and the ancestors, and will relay the message down to you. So it's you, the individual that came for that consultation, to go home and to take your time to reshuffle what has been said to you, to know whether it matches your own plans or patterns of what you are seeking for. So this is how divination in Igbo culture works. I need to explain this in details. The orji, which is known as kola nut in Igbo language, the orji, normally the Igbos have their own type of kola nut, which starts from, we have three. The tree is called the orji kenga. Then the 4 cotyledon orji, that's the normal orji. Then you have the 5 cotyledon. Then you have 6, you have 7. This orji is used as a sacred item to connect with the spiritual realm, to speak with the spiritual or ethereal forces. That is the use of the orji. Another sacred item is the cowrie shells.